week on The Free Range Cook, I join organic beekeeper Rhys Adamson up at his hives to gather some of the new season's honey. Even though my dad had bees, it's the first time I've ever done this.
Really?
Yeah, so I'm sort of vaguely, I'm not really scared, it's just, actually I'm really excited.
Yeah, hopefully we do find some honey. It's been, as you've seen from my office, it's an extremely tough season for us.
Look at those clever little beautiful bees. I'm amazed, you know, like you're not even wearing gloves. I'm kitted up for Africa.
Well, the conditions are such. It's a nice day and we have had a little bit of rain, so
they're all out.
They're not too upset.
There are a heck of a lot of bees in there. How many hives have you got?
We've got about 600 hives.
600 hives?
600, and there'll be, there's about 50.
That's a huge amount of work.
It's small scale commercial. It's
Really?
not large scale
hives.
commercial.
How many hives, how many bees in a hive?
So we've got about 50,000 bees in here at the moment, I would expect.
So what does that work out to?
About 50 million, 50 million staff.
50 million staff, that's
Well, we're in luck.
There's honey.
We're in luck, Annabelle.
Honey.
This is new honey that we've got in here.
They haven't
See,
finished filling
it isn't even finished being made. They're just drying that out for us.
Okay.
So it'll be maybe 20% moisture. And this under here, they've capped it
Can you explain
off.
that to me? Because I'm really interested in that.
When they bring the nectar in, it's really wet. It might be around 30 to 40% moisture.
Right.
Just water.
Yeah.
Plants just secrete a sugary water, basically. So the bees bring it in, and they want to evaporate it down to about 18% water because it doesn't go off.
Wow.
Any more than that, it'll
So
ferment.
clever.
Ferment.
I mean, it's so clever that nature just knows all that and does all that. How do you know what kind of honey that is? By looking at it?
Well,
can you tell?
What I can do, I just have to see the colour of it.
Yeah, it looks very golden.
Yeah, it could be quite
God.
clear.
Oh, it's clear.
It's actually clear. What we've got here is probably a bit of clover honey off there's a tiny little bit of irrigated pasture.
So amazingly clear.
It is.
Is that, when it's like that, does it go denser and darker, or is that because of the evaporation? Not really?
The honey never darkens in colour. This honey will crystallise over time.
Right.
And that's just the sugars hardening. The bees have already done the only thing we need to worry about for longevity,
extracting the water,
which is reducing the moisture level.
And where do they do that?
Just in here, they just beat their wings and create airflow. And sometimes in the evening you'll see them all sitting out the front.
Yes, I've seen them.
And they're basically going
bringing
out to the front of the hive
and bringing
to
air in.
to moderate the temperature.
Wow.
And it just evaporates itself.
And how far, you know, each little bee, and it's, how long does it live?
Its lifetime is governed by distance flown, not age. So as they get older, their wings become tatty, and their usefulness as a bee is over. So they just leave the hive and go somewhere to die quietly.
How amazing.
So if they're born at the beginning of winter, they'll live all the way until spring.
Because there's not much, they don't go out very often.
There's no work.
Yeah.
There's no flying. And if they're born in the beginning of summer, they'll only last 6 weeks. 6 weeks? Because of the distance. There's some fresh honey for us. I can even do a wee crude moisture test here. I can just make sure it's not too running. If it stops running and springs back up, it's actually ready to be capped.
Harvested,
capped. So it's a little bit runny, but
It's amazing that they know.
There we go, it's springing back up.
When you
if
say
it was
springing
wet,
back up, what do you mean?
See the honey trickling, there we go. See it?
It doesn't just
it doesn't
fall
keep
in.
running. See how
The bead stops.
The bead stops and it's pulled back up. So the moisture level's acceptable.